Main Squeeze provides the ease and accuracy of a dilution control system without needing to install equipment. Each highly concentrated formula helps reduce costs compared to RTU products while improving efficiency. Simply squeeze the bottle to fill the built-in measuring spout, then pour into your container and add water. Main Squeeze Lavender 256 Neutral Disinfectant Cleaner Deodorizer is a virucidal, bactericidal, fungicidal, mildew-stat one-step concentrate which produces over 1,500 quarts of in-use solution per case. Broad spectrum efficacy and a pleasant fragrance make this ideal for any facility. No dispensers, no installation, no mistakes. Easy, safe, and precise dilution with Main Squeeze.